trendsetters. I was scratching around the garden the other day and I thought I'd lost my elephant garlic. We've had so much rain through late October, right through November, that I thought they'd gone rotten in the ground. But today, after a more concerted effort, I found them. All 6 bulbs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the odd one out. I think, and I can remember reading that this is what they can do sometimes. They just grow one fat bulb, which you can eat, but also that will be next year's planting. I think they've grown rather well. There's a good size here that's as big as my thumb at least, so I'll keep the bigger ones, plant them again next year. Probably I planted 6 this year, so I'll see if I can get a dozen out of this, and then I'll eat the rest. I can't wait to eat the rest. It smells good. I mean, it smells like garlic, clearly, but it's not quite as pungent. It's I don't know, I wouldn't say sweeter, but it's just a more delicate aromatic smell. Lovely. So there you go. I just wanted to update you that they did grow, they have grown well, and I'm looking forward to growing them again next year. Elephant garlic. If you've ever considered having a go, there's a lot of dirt stuck down in there. Look at the size of those. Look at that. Magnificent. Looking forward to that. So there you go, elephant garlic, done. It means a lot to me if you will consider liking and subscribing. It helps make my YouTube world go round, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers and bye for now.